So I got a great question from one of my students recently, and that's how much protein should I be eating to optimize weight loss? And if you look on the internet, you can find a lot of different answers from experts out there. The one most common one that I find is between zero point 0.4 and zero point 0.7 grams of protein per pound of body weight that you have. So if you can run that calculation there, if you've always measured your weight in kilograms, you can just do that simple conversion from kilograms to pounds by multiplying by 2.2 to find out how many grams of protein that you should be eating. Now, I'll personally give you a different answer. I think that if you're looking to lose weight, that you can eat anywhere between 0.8 and even 1 whole gram of protein per pound of body weight. If that's uncomfortable for you, or if you're on more of a low protein diet, that's perfectly fine if you're not having any problems. The only reason that I would recommend that is that protein is really filling and it's really functional in our body. That and healthy fats, the only two things that we absolutely need to survive and for our body to function properly. So I recommend filling up on protein because it's great for you. It's filling. Who wants to be starving or hungry while they're losing weight? Nobody out there. We want you to be full. We want you to be satisfied, and we want those pounds to come off. So in either of those recommendations, if you want to go for that 0.4 to 0.7 per pound of body weight, or if you want to go more towards the gram per pound of body weight to lose weight, whatever is most comfortable for you to lose weight.